Hi Hazel. It's great to see you. How have you been?
Hey Amber. I've been good, thanks. Busy with work, but can't complain. How about you?
Same here. Work has been hectic. By the way, have you tried their new coffee blend? It's supposed to be amazing.
Not yet. I usually stick to my regular cappuccino. But I'll give it a try today. What do you recommend?
I had the Mocka last time. And it was fantastic. You should try that.
Sounds good. I will have the mocha then. So, any plans for the weekend?
I am thinking of going hiking. The weather is supposed to be nice. What about you?
That sounds fun. I am going to a cooking class. It's been on my list for a while.
Cooking class. That sounds interesting. What kind of cuisine are you learning?
Italian. I love pasta. So I thought it would be fun to learn how to make it from scratch.
Yum. You'll have to make some for me once you master it.
Definitely. Maybe we can have a dinner party sometime.
That would be great. By the way, have you seen the latest Marvel movie?
Yes. I watched it last weekend. It was awesome. The special effects were mind-blowing.
I know, right? The storyline was pretty engaging too. Who's your favorite character?
I really like Iron Man. His sense of humor is just the best. What about you?
I am a big fan of Thor. His character development over the movies has been fascinating.
Absolutely. So, any book recommendations lately?
I have been reading Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. It's a fascinating take on the history of humankind.
I have heard a lot about that book. I might pick it up next. I am currently reading Educated by Tara Westover.
I have read that one. It's an incredible story. You will love it.
I am halfway through, and it's already so gripping. Her journey is truly inspiring.
For sure. Oh, did you hear about the new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yes. I did. It's a sushi place, right?
Yep. I have been there once, and it's fantastic. We should go there together sometime.
I had loved that. I have not had sushi in a while.
Great. Let's plan for next weekend then.
Sounds like a plan. Anyway, I should get going. I have a meeting in an hour.
Sure thing. It was great catching up. Let's not wait too long for our next coffee chat.
Absolutely. Take care, Amber.
You too. Hazel. Bye. Thank you for watching Miss English.